Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to review page IDs. You have different pages on your WordPress blog and you would want to know the page IDs. Opening the pages on my WordPress site right here. You want to know the page ID of these various pages. This is the video for you. Watch this video to the end and learn how you can be able to see the page IDs. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and put the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Don't forget to smash the like button. Give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. And if you are looking for the best WordPress hosting platform, I highly recommend Bluehost. That is what I use and that is why I recommend it. Click on the link below the video. It will bring you to Bluehost page right here. Click on Get Started and you'll be taken to this page. Select any of these packages and get started with your WordPress blogging journey. If you want a stress-free hosting, if you want to be free from all the hosting technicalities, and you want something a beginner can easily use to manage their WordPress blog, Bluehost is the recommended hosting platform. Check it out on the link and get started with Bluehost today. Now, let's come back and get started with today's video. We're going to learn how to review page IDs. For one reason or the other, you might want to know the page ID. For example, if you are building a page, for this page, this is just a demo page. You can see from here, post ID filter. You want to filter out content here based on the post ID, but you don't know that post ID. How do you do this? When you are doing your page building, when you are doing any other settings on your WordPress blog, that requires you to enter a page ID. Follow this guide to the end and learn how you can do this. I am currently inside my pages dashboard here. As you can see, the first step to knowing your page post, your page ID, is let's hover on this edit button here. Once I hover on this edit button here, you will see the URL at the bottom left hand corner, and you can see post equals to 188. That is the post ID. Okay, now let's click on the edit here, and also let's check the post. We want to be able to find out the post ID. As the page is loading from this URL, you can see this 188 from here. That is the post ID. I want to use the marker to highlight it. Today my marker is not showing, or I don't know if it's because the page hasn't finished loading due to the bad that I'm currently facing. So this is the page. Let's select this one. I'm talking about this one, 188 here. Let's close it. Let's delete. Okay, so we've seen one of them, one formula of seeing this post or page ID from here. But if you want a beginner friendly method, of checking out the page ID, let's install plugin. Let's come here, let's install this plugin. So I'll go to add new, and we will install a new plugin that will help us to see our post ID easily and quickly. In this channel, we want to teach beginners easy stuff, easy tutorial, something that doesn't need any coding abilities or any technical abilities. So I'll just click on show ID and the plugin. This is a plugin I'm talking about. So I'll just click on install now here and click on activate. Our plugin has now been activated successfully. Let's go back to our pages here, and let me just refresh this page right here. So as you can see, after refreshing this page, we have a new column here called D, and we can see the various IDs of our pages. We can see the IDs of our pages here. Now let's say I want to edit the my account page, so I'll just click on edit here, and on the top bar you can also see the page ID 190, that is 190 here. So guys, this is the beginner friendly way on how to show your page IDs on web. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to leave all your problems, your issues, comment them below. I do well to respond. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of these awesome videos. Before I take leave of you, let me remind you that I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video for all these resources. They are going to help you become an expert in WordPress blogging. So if you're a beginner and you want your way out in WordPress easily, check out those resources. Until I come your way with another video tutorial, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.